watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.
Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, we're going to explore some ways to decorate your entry table with a charming farmhouse style. I'll share ideas that will help you create a warm and inviting entryway for your home. Let's get started. Welcome home, whimsy. Start with a classic white console table adorned with delicate porcelain figurines and a woven basket filled with soft-hued florals and greens. Rustic reflections. Add a quaint mirror with a distressed frame above a weathered entry table. Complement it with a distressed metal pitcher filled with white blooms and cotton buds to enhance the rustic charm. Timeless textures. Bring cozy textures to life with knitted throws and patterned runners on your farmhouse entry table. These subtle additions add warmth and a pop of color. Floral grace. Use delicate wildflowers in mason jars to bring a touch of meadow freshness to a weathered wooden console. Elegant neutrals. Decorate a light wooden foyer table with a soft palette of soothing neutrals. Candlelit charm. Place soft candles atop an antique wooden table to revive the romance of bygone farmhouse evenings. Vintage farmhouse flair. Infuse your entry table with vintage trinkets and weather-beaten decor to evoke a sense of nostalgia. Seasonal whispers. Rotate autumn pumpkins and spring blooms on a rustic console table to keep your decor fresh and inviting throughout the year. Heirloom elegance. Display cherished heirloom photographs in timeless wooden frames on your entry table. Store memorabilia in an antique box to infuse the space with warmth of memories. Functional farmhouse. Blend practicality with rustic charm by using galvanized metal bins and woven baskets for storage under a sleek console table. Illuminated welcome. Use a classic lamp to illuminate rattan baskets, vibrant houseplants, and assorted vintage decor on a white entry table. Homespun artistry. Feature handcrafted pottery and artisanal weaves on a weathered white console table. Nostalgic neatness. Arrange vintage letter openers and inkwells neatly on an antique wooden entry table. Chic country accents. Combine sleek lines with fresh foliage on your console table for a delightful fusion of contemporary design and timeless country charm. Cheerful checkered patterns. Use plaid patterns on fabric baskets tucked beneath a wooden entry table. Pair these with gleaming ceramics. Lattice and lushness. Create a captivating tableau with a lattice-framed mirror above a wooden entry table adorned with lush greenery in porcelain and woven planters. Neutral modernity. Pair an A-frame reclaimed wooden table with woven hampers and ceramic vases in muted colors. Harvest hues. Decorate a dark wooden entry table with warm tones reminiscent of the harvest season. Antique allure. Use a distressed antique chest as a console to display farmhouse fineries like an antique box, a glass vase of petite blooms, and a large ceramic jar. Pastoral panache. Create a pastoral tableau on a dark wooden entry table with golden tones from lamps and rustic wood accents. Southern brace. Display jugs of sweet tea and cotton stems on a simple rustic table for a nod to Southern hospitality. Whitewashed wonders. Showcase a distressed whitewashed entry table with greenery and nature's treasures like fresh stems of greens and freshly picked fruit. Cozy corners. Use a compact antique farmhouse console to cradle treasured keepsakes and a stack of well-loved board games. Industrial infusion. Merge farmhouse warmth with industrial cool by featuring metal accents, earthenware, green stems, and stacks of weathered books on your entry table. Oceanic overtures. Create a coastal interpretation of farmhouse style by showcasing sea glass, driftwood, clams, and beach pebbles on your entry table. I hope these ideas inspire you to give your entryway a charming farmhouse makeover. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, leave a comment below, and don't forget to subscribe for more home decor tips and ideas. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Happy decorating!